Now let's start learning about the parts of the Access screen by opening a blank database, creating a blank database. I'm going to open Access, and right here, this is what you'll usually do to make a new database. Just click on Blank Desktop Database. And let's just call this My First. And click Create, and it by default goes to your documents. And it starts out by creating something called a table, and I don't want to do that right now. I'm just going to click on this little X on the right side to close it. I want to just kind of take a tour of the menu and the ribbon up on the top. If you've used Word or Excel, other Microsoft Office products, this looks pretty familiar. As a matter of fact, the words are the same in the beginning: File, Home. It's got Create, some different things here, but we'll be using these quite a bit. But unlike Word or Excel, there's really nothing else in the screen here. And there's this structure on the left. What you'll find is that this menu constantly expands and contracts based on what you're doing at the time. And the way that you switch what you're doing is by using this structure on the left side. This is called a navigation pane. Now, we just created this database, so there's nothing to navigate around in. So in the next lecture, what we'll do is use a file that you can download. Actually, the next lecture has download links for this file. It's called Access Demo. And the lecture after that, we'll go through the parts of the screen using tables, queries, things like that that are already built. And we'll see how that changes both the menus and the ribbons. I'll see you in the next lecture.